We will now create the pattern for our leather journal. The pattern needs to include the overall dimensions, which would need the dimension of the front cover, your spine, and the back cover, as well as the flap that comes over to the front. All of these dimensions need to be figured into the overall design of the leather that you're using for the jacket. We are going with a size or a dimension of 13 inches by 5.5. Off on the left, we'll measure in from the corner 4.5 inches, and this will be the layout for the front of that journal cover. Now we move into the spine, where you will measure 1 inch up, and every 1/4 inch apart, you will mark a small dot. This is where you will attach your signatures eventually to the jacket cover inside the journal. Right here on this pattern, I've included 1/2 inch slits, a 1/2 inch apart. These slits are going to be used for a leather strap if this is the finish you would like to use. However, for this particular class, we are going to do just a simple basic wrap around the journal, but this could be one of your options. To finish those edges and that flap, we could cut a design in, or we could use the hide or the piece of leather or suede that we have and incorporate the edge of that material into the design of our jacket. We can shift that pattern how we need to on the piece of leather once we have the leather in place and the pattern designed. At this point, please go ahead, design your pattern, and we will move on shortly to taking that pattern and laying it out onto your leather.